Hello friends. Waving hand. Welcome back to my channel. Smiling face with smiling eyes. If you want to improve your English, learn new ideas, and explore interesting topics in a simple and fun way, then you're in the right place. Today's topic is very interesting and useful, so watch this video till the end and don't miss any important points. Now, let's get started. Rocket.
Finally, I have my ticket.
That's great news.
Let me check the details carefully.
Yes, always verify your ticket.
My train number is 12345.
Good. What is the destination?
Kolkata.
Perfect.
The departure time is 10:30 a.m.
We still have some time.
My seat number is B2-35.
That's easy to remember.
I don't want to miss my train.
Don't worry. I'll help you.
Thank you, Arjun.
You're welcome.
Traveling alone sometimes makes me nervous.
That's normal.
Do you always check your ticket twice?
Yes, I always do.
That's a good habit.
Small mistakes can cause problems.
You're right.
Is everything correct on the ticket?
Yes, everything looks perfect.
Let's check the information board.
Good idea.
Can you see your train?
Let me look carefully.
Take your time.
There it is.
What does it say?
Train number 12345.
That's yours.
Destination Kolkata.
Excellent.
Departure time 10:30 a.m.
Is it on time?
Yes, it says, on time.
That's wonderful.
No delay today.
Lucky day.
The board is very helpful.
It provides important information.
Many people are checking it.
Because they don't want confusion.
I understand now.
Always check the board before traveling.
That's a useful tip.
It can save a lot of trouble.
Now we need to find platform 4.
Let's follow the signs.
There are many platforms here.
Yes, this is a large station.
Sometimes stations feel confusing.
That's why signs are important.
I can see platform 2.
Keep walking.
There's platform 3.
We are getting closer.
I think platform 4 is ahead.
You're right.
Finally, we found it.
Great job.
That wasn't too difficult.
Not at all.
Many passengers are waiting here.
Everyone is waiting for different trains.
I enjoy watching people.
Travel brings people together.
That's true.
Every journey starts with a platform.
I like that saying.
It reminds us of new beginnings.
Absolutely. This platform is very long.
Most railway platforms are.
I can hear announcements.
They help passengers.
The station is full of activity.
That's what makes it interesting.
I can see food stalls.
We can visit one later.
I can smell fresh snacks.
They smell delicious.
Do you buy snacks during journeys?
Sometimes I do.
Walking around is fun.
It helps pass the time.
I see families traveling together.
Yes, many people travel with relatives.
Some children look excited.
Train journeys are exciting for them.
I still feel excited too.
That's a good thing.
Traveling creates happy memories.
I completely agree.
This station feels alive.
That's the beauty of travel.
Every moment feels special. Now all we have to do is wait.
Yes, the train will arrive soon.
Waiting can feel long sometimes.
Especially when you're excited. Especially when you're excited.
That's exactly how I feel.
What will you do in Kolkata?
I'll visit my cousin.
That sounds fun.
We plan to explore the city.
Kolkata has many interesting places.
I'm looking forward to it.
Have you packed everything?
Yes, I checked my bag twice.
That's smart.
I didn't want to forget anything.
Preparation is important.
I can hear another announcement.
Maybe it's about your train.
Let's listen carefully.
Good idea.
The train will arrive in 10 minutes.
That's great news.
My journey is about to begin.
And many adventures await you.
I can't wait.